Hi guys, today's video we're going to be doing lots of stuff. We have cleaning, of course. We also have some laundry to do because there's always laundry to do, and we're also going to be doing some decorating and a little bit of a makeover on my back patio. So if you guys are interested, make sure to keep watching and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to tackle is this porch. This is our only outdoor space, so I really wanted to make it cute and make it enjoyable for me to come out and sit out here during the day and at night. So first, as you can tell, it needed a good cleaning, and also I got these chairs as just like a hand-me-down, and they're like a brown, and that just doesn't fit with the decor I kind of wanted to do. So I spray painted them gray and I let them sit out there for like a good day. I just wanted to let you guys know that you will see a bunch of outfit changes. Is this because I've did this video over the course of like a few days. So yeah, but next thing I wanted to do was clean the walls. So I used my Dollar Tree LA Awesome cleaner and a scrub brush, and then the bowl was just for water because I don't have a hose out here. So I just sprayed the walls down, let it sit for a minute, and then I scrubbed, and it was just so dirty. They were just, as you can see, it was just disgusting. So I scrubbed them, and then I used the bucket to just like rinse it down, and it looks so much better after. And I'm just glad that I did this because my OCD self just couldn't sit out here with all the dirt on the walls. The next day, my mom and I went shopping at Ollie's, and we found this rug, outdoor rug. It was like $15 or $20, and it fit perfectly. I really like the colors because I wanted to incorporate gray and black. So I put it out, and I really liked it. So I started kind of just playing around with how I wanted to set up the porch. And on this day, I just put the rug out and put the bikes out, and then I ended up decorating off camera. So I'll show you guys that in a second. But let me just quickly like run over everything. The tables and chairs were just hand-me-downs. The rug was from Ollie's. That black lantern was also a hand-me-down, so I don't know where that's from. The lights above my glass door there are from the Christmas tree shop. The cushions and pillows are from At Home, and then all that watermelon decor is either from the Dollar Tree or Target. So I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I love sitting out here. It's just so relaxing. So now we're going to get to some indoor cleaning. On this first day, I decided to wash my sheets and my blanket because I had been slacking on doing that. So I just threw my blanket in the washer first, and then I changed out my sheets. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, which is 2 times a week. Also, let me know what you guys are tackling while you were watching this video. I'm always curious to know what you guys are getting done during your day. If you guys have been watching me for a while, then you guys know I'm obsessed with my blankets, and I've been saying I don't have enough storage for them, so I decided to finally utilize my under bed storage, and I bought this container from Target like a couple weeks ago, and so I decided to put a lot of my extra like bigger blankets in there, and it ended up working out really well, and I'm just glad to have them not like on this bench anymore, and it looks just so much cleaner now that I just have this blanket. So yeah, I ended up finally tackling that side of things. And then at the end of this day, I had a couple loads of laundry to fold, so that is what I tackled here. And then we'll move on to the second part of this video, which is a whole day of like household cleaning. Actually, I tackled it in one day. I don't know about you guys, but lately I've been lacking motivation, so that's why like the whole first beginning of this video is like a little bit each day, because that's really all I could do. I don't know about you guys. Let me know, have you guys been, getting motivation to get things done in one day, or have you been just tackling little things here and there like me? I don't know, but yeah, so the first part of this video was just over the course of like 5 days, and then the second part of this video is what I tackled in a matter of like one day. So this is the beginning of my whole day of cleaning. I had to take the trash out. Actually, I had to walk it over to the dumpster because I missed the trash day the day before. So I had to walk it across the street, which really wasn't that far, and take that out. And then I started on the kitchen. I just wiped down the counters before I put out my new watermelon dish drying mats that I got, I want to say Target. I don't know. I got a lot of my decor for summer like at Target, at Dollar Tree, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But I love this one. It's super cute and bright, and it's actually super like fluffy, like durable. So I really like it, and it's long. So yeah, I just had some dishes to do, and I let those sit and dry while I tackled the rest of the kitchen.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
So I bought these new towels, dish towels from Target. This one says all you need is summer, and that one has watermelons and cherries on it. And I bought these a couple weeks ago and have just been saving them to put them out, and I really like them. They're super like durable, and I don't know, I just really like the quality of them, so I definitely recommend checking them out. Like I said, they're from Target. And as you guys can see, this cleaner was basically done, so I was trying to finish it out. I don't want to waste any cleaners, but I was just trying to get through something because you guys know I have way too many cleaners. So I finally finished using that, and here I'm just using my Great Value Fume free oven cleaner and spraying that down and letting it sit for a minute, and then I'll come back and clean the stovetop.
Off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past.
So I wanted to quickly show you guys some of the decor I got. Honestly, can't remember exactly where everything's from, but it's either from Target, Meijer, At Home, or the Dollar Tree, and I've been collecting it over the last few weeks because I knew I wanted to do a watermelon theme. So I've been collecting watermelon related items. It's kind of hard to find, they're kind of scarce. Like, it's much easier to find pineapple and like lemon, which I did lemon for spring, But I set out my tiered tray and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's super cute and simple. I didn't use a ton of stuff. But yeah, so that's what I did first, and then I scrubbed out my sink and got back to doing some cleaning, and I went through and sorted my mail. After I finished recording this day, I was over on Instagram, which I'll link my channel or my Instagram right here. And I was talking to Sheila over from Simply Sheila, or she actually posted something about going through her mail. And it was funny because I literally just went through mine and I was like, this is so relatable because I hate going through my mail. I literally wait till like it's piled up and I don't really have a choice and it's bothering me to go through it. So I really need to get in a better habit since, you know, this is my first apartment and this is like the first time I've really had to deal with a lot of mail. Like I would get a little bit of mail here and there, but not this much. So I need a better system because this is something I'm going to have to deal with for the rest of my life.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Let me know down in the comments, have you guys decorated for spring yet? I'm just curious. I was kind of putting it off because I've been super lazy the last like 2 weeks. But I don't know, I got like a kick of motivation this day. But I'm just curious, have you guys decorated for summer yet? Are you guys doing like a theme? Like I'm doing watermelon. I know a lot of people do lemon, which like I said, I did that for spring. So I didn't really want to carry it over into summer, but I really did like the lemon because I don't know, yellow is just like bright and warm. But whatever, just let me know in the comments what you guys are up to, if you've done some decorating or are you guys just kind of leaving it neutral.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives.
I had realized, like, kind of like looking at my YouTube channel, I haven't cleaned my bathroom in a video in a long time, and the reason is I haven't really cleaned my bathroom that well. I've done like a basic wipe down, but I don't know, I despise cleaning my bathroom. And it's not even the toilet I don't like, it's the like countertop and the sink, which is weird because the countertop and the sink aren't even that bad. But I just find the toilet like a satisfying clean, so I think that's why I don't mind it. but I don't like doing the countertops, the sinks, and the floors, so I think that's why I put it off. But I decided that it finally needed to be done, so I cleaned the toilet first and then gave the mirrors like a super quick wipe down, and then tackled the countertops, the sink, and I just gave the floor a quick sweep. The final thing that I tackled on this day of cleaning was to vacuum my carpet in my bedroom. It was long overdue, and it was just super satisfying after. I just love coming into a clean bedroom. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out these other videos if you need more motivation. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you enjoyed this video. And I want to talk to you guys next week for another video. Bye.